Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Everything Food with JT. Today I will be cooking some chopped suey in a different style. No pop choy will be used. I have a whole cabbage that I have washed and cut into, and now I will begin to cut it up. I will cut it as if I am threading it, but not so fine. Now that I have finished cutting my cabbage, I'll start cutting my carrots. Carrots are a very good source of vitamin C and it is good for your eyes. Carrots are very versatile and can be included in a lot of recipes. Carrots can also be used to make refreshing drink. Now that I have finished cutting my carrots, this is what it looks like. It is beautiful. Now I'm going to put on my pot and start cooking. I have placed a pot on the stove, poured a small amount of oil in it, allow it to heat up a little. Next, I will pour my seasoning or herbs that I have cut and allow it to saute. These seasoning are tomatoes, onion, garlic, and scallion. Along with bell peppers, the combination of seasoning or herbs are looking so beautiful. Next, I will add my vegetables that have been chopped. Cabbage are very good for our health, very beneficiary to our immune system. Cabbage is also good for our skin, acts as an anti-inflammatory agent, take care of your eyes, help with weight loss, helps with the digestion, help to regulate blood pressure. It also helps with ulcer. Next, I will add some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. This Maggi all-purpose seasoning is very good for flavoring and can be used in just about any dish. I will also add some soy sauce, at least 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. After which, I will stir the pot and allow the soy sauce to be distributed throughout the vegetables. I have gone ahead and made some chicken broth with some grace cock soup, which is very tasty and spicy, and I will add it to my vegetables, which will give my vegetables a lovely flavor along with the meat that I will be adding. My vegetables are almost cooked. Now it's time for me to add my chicken. I have gone ahead and cooked my chicken. I am actually using some leftover chicken from the day before. Yes, it's okay to use your leftover chicken. I am using the chicken breast, deboned chicken breast and deboned chicken thigh. It is quicker and easier to prepare when you cook your chicken ahead of time. You can even use rotisserie chicken. Rotisserie chicken breast. What I am the kind of chicken that I cooked brown stew chicken, so I'll be using it. My chop suey has been cooked and I will be serving it with some white rice.